or during monsoon according to their favorable conditions. Okay, so they are called as a seasonal breeders which reproduce in a specific season. Okay, and on the other hand, if they are able to reproduce continuously in every season, so they are called as a continuous breeders. So what are continuous breeders? The mammals which can breed throughout their reproductive phase, they are called as a continuous breeder. Okay, so bache, when the reproduction is the reproductive phases ends. Okay, so the end of reproductive phase, now when the organism is not able to reproduce, that phase is called as senescence. What we are calling it as a senescence. Senescence term is used when the reproductive phase is over. Okay, so bache, first of all, let's start the brief explanation again. See, first of all, gametes are formed. Okay, then when the gametes will start form, they enter the reproductive phase. Okay, then it will go aging. When aging will be there, then senescence occur, will not be able to reproduce. Afterward, ultimately it reaches its death. Okay, so, Bachi, now let's talk about the events. Events during the sexual reproduction. What are the events which leads in the sexual reproduction? First of all, let's discuss the pre-fertilization event. What are the pre-fertilization events? So, Bachi, the events which occurs before the fusion of gametes. Pre means before. So, the events which occur before the fusion of gametes, it is called as a pre-fertilization events. Okay. So next is gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? Gametogenesis means formation of gamete, synthesis of gametes, production of gametes is called as gametogenesis. Okay, so first phase of pre-fertilization is gametogenesis, where males will produce male gametes. Most probably in animals they are sperms. Females, they will produce female gametes. The most probably it's egg or ovum. Okay, same thing. For next, now after the gametes are formed, it is now to be transferred. Okay, so between most of the organism, male and female gamete are formed, in which male gametes are always motile and female gametes are non-motile. Okay, they will move to the female gamete for further fertilization. Okay, exceptions are there. Fungus and algae are the exception. Okay, so bache, a medium is needed through which the male gametes will move. Okay, so it can be any water or it can be any like a fluid. Okay, so bache, male gametes are produced in large amount as compared to the female gametes. Why? Bache, because lot of male gametes are being destroyed or being wasted. Okay, so that is why